Lagunok ongetorri Lastotxapelen kanalera ongetorri zuzeneko. Honetara Warhammerren Times berbinten bi honetara eta etxerako lanik ez dauka, titulan ikusten zuen moduan. Izen buruan ikusten zuen moduan. Hemen berriz ere bakitzen moduan zuzenako egiteko aukerak izan ohi dira, lehenengo etxerako lanak egin, eta gero horren arabera bukatzen duen orduaren arabera, eta gero etxerako arabera zuzenekoa egin, baina gero ere bestate batetik bizarra moztu beharra daukan, Venga, usatxo asko. Ardoa ere topatu behar da, berdin zain. Eta oren guatzen apur bat jokatzera. Eta lebeleoak egitera zailtasun maila zaila den honetan izatez dago reklute, izango litzatekela modu erraza, veterano, izango litzateke modu normala, eta orain txapelduna edo kampeon, joko erda ez dagoelako, modu zaila. Baina, ea zer topatzen dugun hemendik gaurko.
What's the matter? Don't tell me you're miraculously in a good mood and don't want to go out and have the world spoil it for ya.
Vale, beraz, gizak animalak egon daitezke.
I'm hearing rumors of something nasty creeping through Bergenhafen. It starts out as plague and gets worse from there. Demon plants and tentacles, if that sounds familiar. If it doesn't, you ain't been paying attention, have you? My contacts reckon it started in the Pit, the town's poorest district, so do me a solid and get it stopped, would you?
Bueno, beti dago lehen aldi bat mapa egiteko, segurazki jogatu dut, baina ez nago nesu zigur, agian lehen dabitzekoa dela esan eta listo. Izate berdin zara.
A shadow over Bergenhafen? Ridiculous! Looks like a perfectly ordinary Ungi town to me.
Hard to believe a Mayfly rabble could be involved in their own destruction.
Nothing beats a bandit like me. Give me 5 minutes with one of the buggers, I'll get your answers.
Vale, mendik izango. Vale, mapa ikusi dauka, DLC ez daukanez, ez daukadanez. Orduan zegoen gauza.
Hear those breaking bones!
Use some of that vaunted skill of yours! Hit the head!
Chop him down!
A Blightstormer!
Render teeth! Rakita!
One last gasp from the sorcerer.
bat,
Or
eta
desperation.
Burn them all together, yes! My shields up, get behind me! Gas rat, yeah, it's a gas rat! You reckon you got your jewelry with that?
Gas rat throwing! Here's your blow. Out of the way. Even up to leave elsewhere, wizard. At last, the Gloomadeer's dead. Another one! I take out my frustrations where I can, wizard. But there'll be uproar if I shoot one of you.
Relax. Magia daltzen dugunean mana puntu egotzen da eta gehiagi daltzen badugu bikutara gara.
Poke your head out from behind that shield, Ratty!
There, go! Grumnish magic a blackbird!
Ingurua begiratu behar dut, ongi badespada zerbait utzi badugu ala ez jakiteko.
Come, I cannot kill them all alone.
Bale, guazen hortik. Zer topatzen dugun mapa honet.
Quick draft.
Mapa bat hasieratik hastea gehiago gustatzen zait partida erdian sartzea.
Watcher than this story.
Bale, horren joan behar gara azpitik,
A pack of plague
zuarekin.
comes for us, mayflies.
Ez dut ikusi. Bizitza zorengoz,
Bloody ape! Hook rat! Gorikson! Shoot them! Them! Ha! It shoots much, but hits little. The ratling is dead. No matter how low my opinion of mankind, it can always slide further.
Well done. Don't want to get separated.
No, not yet. You're hanging on, Brilliant.
Blood everywhere, and another one drop. Not enough. Either it's the worst war ever. Someone give me a breathe. Dead.
Bardi, don't shoot me.
Sorry.
Bardi, time to heal.
Iban hortik gutxen orain, bestela ni salbatu dago. Guaz pizkanak erlazatzen.
Down here.
The Black Hook. Used to be a power in the Reichland till they got sloppy. Hook rat inbound. Someone put it down.
Come, finish me if you dare.
You're a bit bloody, elf.
The Lightstormers were food.
Oh, these stairs go up. Come on, then. Aye, get back. Right here. Give me a good shot.
Sobreras.
Chaos Warrior, just what we needed.
Estética repartirse distancia.
Oh, gas match. Where? Oh, doesn't he an animal?
It's going to explode.
Hey, I'm Lord.
Don't breathe it.
Vale, caco. ¿Verdad? Sí. Vale, Bretaña arranca.
Up you get, Gordson.
Not sure you deserve this rescue, elf.
Yeah, I think it's this way.
Here's a healing draft.
Aisha's greaves. Healing draft.
There's only a scratch. Soon have it patched up.
Not a pretty job. Old.
Eta, bueno, bizitxerdia. Hemendik nora goaz. Ez da. Vale. Hor dagoen hartu behar da. Gora joan behar da orduan, bagora goaz.
A typical mayfly hovel.
Wouldn't hurt you to say something nice once in a while, Carillion.
Judging by that crest, this food wasn't meant for the pit.
There's so many of them.
Whoosh! Here come the flames!
Grab some nails, Dory, with windows to have a shut. Thorgrim smiles on us. Ammunition.
We've a fight on our hands now.
I need help! Look out, brother!
Vale. Apurra.
Harry, they're blows wizards!
Oi, Wonder! Over here! Easy pickings for you! Don't live, Dory! Now listen to the
Aluzu ziena modu honetan ez dela ni pertsonanik honen.
Hey! I'll get you paid!
way.
You need aid, Kruber.
Hanging by a thread here.
It's a wonder you're still standing, Kruber. Ah, we'll slay them all.
Healing, or an arm they ain't using.
Hold together, Marcus. You'll get through this. We're coming,
Caca.
Surely you've a little more to give us, Ungi.
Vale, mierda ahora, La negra, hombre.
A fleeting shadow! You want war? Keep shooting at me and you'll start one! No! Get it off! Get off me! Fire that! See? Over there! I am a child of asshole.
Sorry es.
Ha!
Assassin rat.
Fight for Saul. The eternal dance. Run from Sienna. Get the thing's attention or she'll leave some part dear to her.
Take care with that spawn, Dory. They're predictable as a drunken couple.
Another one! Brilliant team a little I'm ready for you! Forward it!
Uf. ¿Qué va a ser un engendro gainera o bizitza berreskuratzen du?
The death for later. Ha! Let's see what I can do now the mayflies aren't holding me back. Try to stop falling down, Barney.
Según trago que se borra aquí.
Hungry buggers eat monsters for meat. Let's try to find out where this gut is and slice it wide open. That should keep it on its move. Form on me, Dory.
Where are the others? Stop it, Shadow! Help me!
Claro, se me engendro
Uphill. Sportly now.
Don't tell anyone, or I might just miss the dwarf. Down these steps! You old crap! Medical supplies! Over here! We have pleasure killing it.
oso gogorrada, ikusten duzen modu. Ah, vale, sí, esto anda bien, bro.
This doorway! Move! Here, ammunition.
What's your healing draft?
Keep running, Lumberpits. You've come too far to fall now.
Vale. Clase de dandy. A ver.
I'll block that path. So many, let's drive them back like a weed.
Vale, era así. No garantitxoa.
Don't stay up. I've got work for you to do.
Ya no ve todo este ya. Robando. Ah, vale, sartuko aurrengo partida batean, arazorik gainera. Aguas en aburrera.
What weighs several tons, draws rat men like flies, and sounds awful? If you just answered, oh no, not another bloody bell, then you win a pumpkin, you lucky bleeder.
Aurreragoaz.
Don't eat it all at once, because you'll need provisions on your way to destroying the wretched thing. We don't actually know if that lump they've raised in Elmgart is a real screaming bell, but better safe than sorry.
Joder, izango da. Agian Gruber. Zer botatzearen esan nahi dute. Hala, chico, bai. Vale, Irian. Gruber.
Why be surprised that Skaven worship a bell? Mayflies will bend the knee to anything.
When we get there, make sure to wreck that odious thing quickly. Even Imperial bells give me a headache.
Now, either all of you shut your snaggletooth holes and get going, or I am leaving you behind. Again.
Catch that, you doomed and armored! Stop that, summon! That finished it! There's a potion! Potion here! Don't falter! This way!
Oh, no,
Gone
esto
right,
es
now where is he? Sienna, watch your place! Grimness, punch and mess the gas rat! Gas! Yeah, my shield, Dory!
Take it out.
Hold the line, mate!
Oso ondo. Pikutara bera la gainera.
More ammunition here! I'll block them! Time to seal do this teeth. Too hot! Too hot! Good! So good! Okay, let's save the day! This looks like the way down! There's a gas rat in here! Frisky, eh? There is no shame in poverty, unless it is caused by unwholesome choice and practice.
Hold on, I'm drinking.
Gas rat, watch for the door! Rat. Make haste, to me! Bombs here!
Vale, ahora eso es
Take it where we gone bad, sir. You're shooting me.
To our survival.
Shield vermin! Watch out!
Rot helm incoming!
By the silver seal, that's a skull! Over here, quickly now! Hold your ground! The Chaos Warrior comes! Stay close to me, I see the path. That sounds like a backstabber.
Lehenik eta bain ez dut nahi jarraitzelerik erosi. Horreit horiek ez nirelako pertsona.
Stop, vermin!
On it goes.
Daddy! Over there! Kill the one! Leech way! Leech! Oh, they're on the attack now! Stop that ball!
All right. Fine.
Todavía no veo.
Burn good, eh, Sharon? Good shot! Keep your elbow up. Jaws open. You damn! As you should, Grimkin. No one wants to lug your corpse around. Looks like more ammunition. Stop, vermin!
Ah, vale. Lau pertsona gara, ez konturatu.
Killing us all at the moment.
My grandmother hits harder than that. the strangler back and kill it!
Hush! We may yet surprise the gunner.
Follow me!
Vale, vano.
I can't take much more, darling.
You have not earned yet!
Let the fire claim them all!
Dust and shadow.
Uf. Ah, vale.
It's not Bugman's, I'll tell you that.
Pensaba que decís agutxere aquí, pero bueno.
You are of no use dead, elf.
I think it's this way.
Ah, vale, Goya.
Even a dwarf needs tending.
Vale.
That sounds like a rat leg.
That gas rat needs to die.
El burro alerta, avisando la mesa.
Doesn't Sigmar say don't shoot the dwarf, Grimgay?
I walk beyond the left.
Medical supplies, over here.
Here, it's here. Guard me a moment. Look at that! Araki thinks he can use the shield! Bring it on!
Ha! It shoots much, but hits little.
Corner the door, will you? There's a gas cracky somewhere close by.
A packmaster in South Ennis.
In darkness.
No me olvidaba que llegaba para adelante, a ver.
Got it! Shoot! Them! Them!
I'm no healer, but you don't need a specialist, do you? These stairs
What a reek that bomb has!
They've sent plague!
The Shadow's hiding.
Hope you've strength enough to bring the bell down, Dory. You know I have.
There's a Globadier stalking us.
Jasper, throwing!
Aye, that bell's arriving in war. The bell's making well, it ends like that, Dory. It ends well.
Wow! I felt that one.
Faltasen orain gainera. Madurak suntsitu beharko dut.
Over here! Easy picking for you. Totally a Dory. Still here? Just take a swing. Hey, take mine, Dorak!
Into bloom.
I'm no healer.
Ez du sortu liburu. Vale, men. Partida erdian joatzen da zut ulertzen. Zega gutxi falta da amaitzeko partida onerako esan txarrera. Osea, hortik zeiztea da eta ia egin dago.
More of them coming! Let's teach them some manners!
Have a car, bombs away!
Tougher than I look.
Keep them with steel and righteous strike! Medical supplies!
Oh! Shondo, come and find her wounded teeth.
And now, tactical retreat is in order.
Badago.
Clap eyes on that portal.
Pizkanaka ere zeitasunetako partida ezberdinak. Ja se tokatzen dugu kofre horretan. Ez dago zartu. Ronaldo no pari. Bueno. Charter ez dago. Ahia da. Estoy en Sedala. Sienaren begiratzea. Orain bai. Arko eskuro bat. Vale. Arregleatuko gara zelik gabe.
Good day to you. Business as usual.
Misio eresia. Vale.
I won't weary you with the history lesson, but the Rockbloods have found themselves a long-forgotten artifact of terrifying power. They're digging the bloody thing up as we speak, forcing Clan Fester slaves to do the tunneling. Even worse, the damned monolith's currently beyond our means to destroy. However, Alicia, the clever old girl, has at least found a way to bury the foul thing. So, listen closely.
We're stronger together. Come back. Kill him quicker next time, would you?
Unon. Está lo mal,
I feel the wind writhing. Blightstormer.
You might just be good at this, Dory.
Assassin!
Down it is. That sounds like chump.
As soon as you be, this is about to get
Campora.
neither in numbers nor effort. Right here! Give me a good shot!
That standard's making them crazy. Destroy it.
Galdetzea necesito ser legal.
We should not have separated.
The banner! It's making him stronger!
Sir, please stop shooting me.
Hatred grants purpose. Purpose grants strength. Follow me. Through the door. A packmaster. It shall enter. Not how, wait!
Nice bit of shielding coming right up. Which eye do you want missing?
Bueno, sería también, según más. Es la que te estoy junto a canciones en el lugar.
Sienna, why is my skin scorched?
Sienna, watch your flame.
Stop burning me!
Honest, the Blight Stormer!
Listen. Sienna, don't burn old Kruger. Come on.
Sí, putara.
Sneaky potion, hiding away like that.
Where's on?
For Loren!
Bless
Sometimes I do wonder how you're still alive. Kill the sorcerer, kill the storm.
Righteousness! Do not fail me now! The wounded, sir! Ah!
Save me from the Pale Queen. Save me.
Stay put out.
One eye, would you kindly refrain from shooting me? Blight Stormer, bring him down before Your efforts.
Die! Die! Down here! Target me later, witch! Now is not the time!
Euskaldu, no?
Shield clan rats.
Not now, witch!
Here. Reckon I'm done.
I walk beyond the light.
Ah, vale, no. Gracias. Veramos.
If I die, return me to the soil.
You look half dead, Carillion.
Why am I on fire? Sienna? This way! Onward!
No shooting back, good boys! I've got them there!
Stay out of the water! The current will bear you away!
Come! Finish me if you dare!
Still hanging on, Carillion? That's a lot. It's so far.
¿Un hago? Ah, vale.
I have no more ammunition! Over here! Help me! Help me! Help me! Oh. Help me! Over here!
Vale, torne de Villarreal. Vete la correa que te aviso, si lo dices.
What in Drakira's name is in this bottle?
Hartu. Vale.
Come over here! Rattling gun!
Gunner's dead.
Hostile dark behind me! Incoming attack! Help!
Vale.
Who could use that? One hopeless surprise. Oh, look at that elf go! These hell-bent on wading these deep through blood.
All in a day's work, right, Sergeant?
Bueno.
Oh, so many things I don't put together.
Across here.
Sorgen easter egg var goda på då.
That's a leech of no mistake.
Gas rat, watch for the throw. Leech is down. I am not your foe, witch. Not yet. That gas rat's about to throw.
Failed gas rat.
Death is too good for you.
Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Make Tom for all. King Tom is your... That rat's got a reach, all right.
Ay.
Another mayfly gone.
Oh,
To me! Tempest rise.
Only the sorcerer's death will end that vortex.
Lumberfoots, can you not see? This is the path.
Medical supplies.
Help me! Help!
ahora que tú conoces.
That's better. Thought I was done for.
The rat's near.
Tainted fire is never a match for the real thing. Want a dog?
Target me later, witch. Now is not the time.
Scudderly! No lumberfooting!
Hurry up and grab it!
For the exiles, Ken. Wait for me, the rest of their kind.
Harry! Harry!
This shield will hold firm, I promise you that.
You've talent, wizard. My sisters can teach you a thing or two. Assuming you know.
You make a trip to the forest realm sound so appealing.
Watch and learn, mates. This is how it's done.
Hail, Queen. Shield me from Satan.
Roland! A Chaos Warrior! Hush your moaning! Skaven Sandrak!
Through the door.
We got the hook rat!
Down here, Glaikit mayflies.
A Chaos Warrior! Its armor shall not hold!
Down here.
¿Quién es la que ya?
A Chaos Warrior! He'll burn like the rest!
The Chaos Warrior falls!
Someday.
My quiver holds no answers.
Hit it in the head, Sienna! That's luck. Ammunition! Armored Northlander!
Back to the soil, Chaos Warrior!
Oh, they're on the attack now!
No more quiver! Just heritage. Gunner, find a stain of those will fell you.
The shadows hide.
Be ready!
Reach down! Blaze Sigma!
Nice to have a chance for a little country.
Over here! I experience no spiritual conflict.
Lumberfoots, kindly kill that sorcerer before he drowns us in filth.
Blaze Smoker! Kill the rat who bears it! A rot helm!
Stand away!
Lao,
Blackfire!
Lao.
Dark gods or not, the Chaos Warrior!
El coche yo lo está que estuvo. Los
Warrior falls!
visita coche aquí.
Your aim is as perfect as your model!
Come on, this way!
I'll burn anything that crosses our paths, darling. Have no fear.
A boon for our help! A clovertier is near!
I'm binding my wounds!
Come, despoilers!
digno de
I shall end thee!
Sienna! Stop!
Holy lustration!
Not me! Not now, Saltfire!
Slay the Frother!
A warrior rat!
Hold the line, mate! Hard to fathom, but I am on your side!
O sea, aquí.
Heads down, mayflies!
Nunca
Chaos Warrior, move mayflies!
Let the seals take their blows!
Safe enough for an elf. A drunk slicer.
Watch out for your mates and we'll get through this!
Keep them busy. I've something special to prepare.
Siena.
Vanta's moving here.
Siena.
The gap.
A Chaos Warrior! To me, Axe's flames!
Doktor, bizitza gutxarekin hor dago. Irauten. Esperintzen ditu. Pertsona esan ditu. Eta gian ez da. Baina mentzatez bat esan ditu. Gauzatxo gehiago erantza. Vale, momentu bat izan. Ez dut dut
Wizard, why is my skin scorched? More to kill! Some of them have shields now.
Justo que intento Mazarete, principios. Partida tipo.
Now, witch!
For the exile to hell.
Gods.
You are needed, Elf! You must not die!
I need ammunition.
Jarriko beste Kruger bat bestela. Gutxigatik. Guazen aurrera. Eso gertatzen da hemen. Kruger normal ez dut dela. Vale, Kruger hau. Kruger salduna.
A fine day, as long as you avert your eyes from Helmgard.
Bigarren nibelean. Honekin aurrera goaz. Apuntado.
I've had reports of rock blood foraging parties in the
Meseida de
vicinity
bestizte
of
herria
Uzi. Now,
Berminten
that's bad
mirako.
enough, but it
Oraingo
turns out
zuzute
some
nuke
folk
esango
were too
baiet.
stubborn to show a clean pair of heels when it all
Abenduan
went
ateratzen
south.
delako total
Now, we
Warhammer
can't sit
birako
by as the
DLC
crotchety old
Baina
fools are
ondo
being
egongo
shipped off
litzateke.
to Helmgart to be
Agian
used
gero,
as fodder for the
agian
Skittergate in one way or another.
Bermintenako
Make your
zuzera
way to
ateratzea.
Morgan's Loft Farm and save as many as you
Ez
can.
dut konpainiz berdinak direla. Vale, va espada defensa mode. Bueno,
Didn't feel a thing.
Look out! Leech incoming! I need ammunition!
Have a care. Pop to that.
We got the leech, mate,
Right, hammer.
bueno, vale, así era.
1,000 deaths are not enough for this hook rat!
Karraburgoko espatari handia.
Into gloom.
Suck that is no more. No, Richard.
Healing elixir. Let me patch my wounds.
Walk right into it! No cause to celebrate!
You hear what I hear, mate? Leech.
Slay the fireman. Weapons! Please down! Please, Sigma!
I walk beyond my life.
Yeah, another life reach!
No lo picudarán. A ver. Ese de Torrico.
That rasping breath! A gas rat!
Good splendid, look here! Ha! A dead pug master is a sight for song!
Valoro con
Kill that gas rat! Have I wronged you? The geese shoot them, not me!
Through the barn, Lumberfoots. Time's a wasting.
Seek the key!
A ver,
That's sure the wasn't.
lehenengo zen aurretik bada espada. Ezin dugu.
Well done! Don't want to get separated! It's only a scratch. All right, come on then. Never did like potions. Oh well, any port in a storm. I don't like this. Watch out, fleet incoming! Oh, that doesn't hold. Right, Silver, close. That rat ogre's giving me a headache. Here, assassins, I'm ready for you.
I want the key.
Hogger, that's still standing. Do it proper. War hunting. Have a bloody hit out of that. Kill them. Before he kills
Frail, just like an elf.
Ah, the taste is worse than the smell.
A ver. I pot llauna. Civili. I pot llauna, esas que... A ver.
no squirming, Bardin, or it'll do more bad than good.
Shield rods, be ready.
Out of that mess, now!
Dusk shadow.
Elias, help, a globadier!
Rest again.
Gas ball! Gas ball coming in!
Pass through there. It's no tricky. Like you get the job done.
Over here! You stick stronger than you try. I gobbled the lot of you. Over here. Hear it. I can do this all day. Only hurts when I laugh, and when I breathe. That's a lot of blood, Azungi. Heal up.
Aurrera. Bizitzak nahiko estu gauden arren aurrera jarraitu behar dugu. Ez gora utzi behar da beti.
These are bleak times,
crowbar. That's a good dummy, Dory. Right, blaze the...
Caga.
Healer's King! Double the discipline!
Shall not trouble us now.
Joder. O sea, venga, siendo siniestro. Nathan.
I'm losing blood!
Gustumi and a thirsty one.
You fall over too much, Corey.
Come on, Watson! Thanks for you. Only a Joey.
A Chaos Warrior. Just what we needed.
Ha ha! Come on!
I walk in endless silence.
Joder, con las pintas en ojo. Ahí con suerte. ¿Dónde estoy viendo la voz?
Oh, don't try here. It would be embarrassing. Really, Ratty? For the exiles, kid.
Do me! This'll be fun! Die, rat! That's one for carrot egg, Pete!
I walk beyond the light.
You need your wounds binding, Soulspire. You butcher them!
Are you deaf? There's a Chaos Warrior near. Look at that armored brute, or plate that says.
Yeah.
Mind whose wounds work. Heal up.
Stop showing off! You'll never be as good as us, Pete! I kiss my brother! Oh. Hey, here, baby! Over there! Come on, trio! Stand up!
Just another!
Assassin rat's dead! But LP, shoot the enemy, not me! Ammunition here! Ammunition! cushion, should you have a care. Come on then, we'll have ya! There, in that shadow! I've known goblins shoot, stranger elf! Oh, I get off of you! Saggy's dead! You're welcome!
Here, ammunition. Chaos warriors lumbering around.
Oh, there's a lot of them!
A ver. Venga ya.
Blood everywhere!
Vale, vamos a ver.
Who can ask? Cruel amongst the cruel, Ken.
Master done! I fight on! To the last! Grimky, you should see!
Beware the hook!
Righteous work is done, and
Hiltzaiak beti berdin.
backruns to me! Backruns to me! Don't let him get through! Better with both eyes closed, Saltspire! Maggie! Over there! Kill the one!
Vale, ya quedó. Hirurogeita bederatzi.
Raining cats and dogs, eh? To go along with ratmen as Northlanders, I suppose.
Beste bat beharko genuke hor. Baldo barriagoa.
You know, Carillion, I'm still no clearer as to why you're traipsing around with us. Don't you want to go home?
More than you knew.
So why stay? It doesn't add up.
If I answer you, will you cease your glaciate yammering?
Aye, we have a deal.
Very well. I made a mistake. And until I've made amends, I cannot go back. Alright?
Oh, not really, but you have my thanks.
Vale. Itxango dugu.
Kruber, when you get a chance, would you mind casting an experienced eye on the defences?
Already did. Hell old. Provided we don't draw too much ire.
Kruber, do you really plan on...
Now, there's a sorcerer lord creating quite a hullabaloo down in what's left of Helmgard. Turns out it's Burble Spew Hailscourge, the same fat bastard who ordered the theft of my book collection in Ubersreich, remember? Alicia says he's conjuring up a city-sized plague mist which will make the rot blood stronger and kill any decent folk. So, ride the Guardsman's lift into the centre and just stove his bloody head in. No one steals from me.
You call that a shield, Raki? Chop him down! Yeah, I'm being a guy's spot, you know that?
lunar motion. Kill that fire rat. I don't want to burn. Move it here. Wow!
Felt that one.
Big Tom! Oh, Darren, you should be panic!
Ah, vale. Osondo. Ay, ese tu barriro.
Good day. And so far, it actually is.
Bueno. Vai potser aquí no hi ha ara.
Here we are again, Magnus Tower. Now, don't get carried away killing every little rat that crosses your path on the way to sounding that ridiculous horn. We're here to solve a mystery, so be sure to listen out for my directions. Oh, what's the point with any of this? You're only going to forget it all once the illusion's prepared.
Bastante
Always works.
una fantasía.
In the distance, the Tower of Magnus.
That rot elf might test us, Mayflies. Hold on, Mayflies. I'm going to drink.
Oh, don't
Minions!
Faccio visione che nahiko. Dai che non la salva.
Curious. I don't remember this from before.
That boat's tough, but we're a team, remember? I'm throwing a bomb! Be more careful, Garrick son. Any further off course and we'll all be dead. Be more careful, Garrick son. Saggy, over there, kill the one. Take my blessed shot.
Kruber, you keep killing like this and I'm gonna lose my bed.
Like music played too small. What is that sensation?
I'll draw their attention. You kick them in the donglets.
Here, healing drop.
Yeah, this doesn't look good, does it? That's good, if you can stop us, you're welcome to bloody Fuck! Through my armor! Beat prowling! Stormer's here. He's mine. Oh! Honey, rock. Give a man a moment, will ya?
This way looks promising.
I think there's more ale on the floor than in the barrels.
Sirna como sagutsikia. Trampatia
I hear a rattling gun.
Don't let it shoot ya! Yeah, that rattling's done for.
Don't underestimate that warp fire.
Welcome to the Round War! Right here, right now! Watch out, this bandage! No!
Heal, dwarf, or you'll soon be dead.
Now I'm pissed off! Grimmy, you should heal!
I've no more arrows. Gleaming shadow.
Every upward
Yes,
step
good.
brings us closer to our goal.
The tower! It's about time!
Healer's kit! With this, I toast victory.
Ve. Tabii ki.
Them slovenly! Freeze down!
Oh, a fat-ass light stormer!
Puta, ¿no?
There! Runner in the shadows!
Kill the sorcerer! Unless you like wading through corn-strewn dung.
The big fruit is muck.
I Confederate bar!
So that's it!
Mika, watch your back.
Dead, not alive!
ready. They're coming for you again.
It's only a scratch. Never die. They can take him.
Well, that like is our problem no more.
Kill more, Garrison! Kill more!
The gas! Watch out! The gas rap's going to explode!
Here come more of the wasps!
Festering vermin! Kill them all!
Assassin! Assassin!
This way!
I am a mountain! I feel now!
Warping the wings!
Sacks! Mother! A berserker comes! Yeah, try this bomb! Kill him quicker next time, will ya?
I know
No more than that!
Chaos Warriors!
Come here! Go on! Hit me harder! I've had to run over hits harder than that!
Look at that armored brute! Or blatant dead! The rock elf's dead!
Fanatics! Cave monks! You need your wounds binding, Saltzpyre.
Medical supplies! I'd rather some milk relief, but this'll do.
Even a dwarf needs tending.
Mine is a tale of heroism, Mayflies. You merely shares.
A ver, te lo enseño.
Look at their boots!
Come on the right.
Someone don't bloody pieces! I have failed! You need patching up, Doogie!
Gutted on it! Rockman, always compensating with machinery.
There, got a runner! Holy justice! Burn!
Ran you close, didn't they? I must have miscast the illusion's authenticity cantrips. Head for the portal. That will break the illusion. With I have said that. They're not supposed to know about that while they're in the illusion.
Este tío ha sido... Venga. Ya te doy algo, ¿no?
Bit of rain today.
Vale.
Good evening.
Bueno, kutsatxuregira lorpen izan da. Zeretu jaterako irekiko ditugu paren kutsa. De manera. Pongo a tiros elegidas probatzera. Zer egitea. Puntu desberdinetara egitea. Zertximiren 25. Harrapatu eta zer bueno lagunok, hau izan da dena, espero gustoko zen zaizuela eta hurrengoan gehiago